Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to scrape any data from any website you want using API and automate it using make.com. So first of all, go to API, create a free account. You have like $5 each month for usage. So go to this tool, Google Map Scraper. Let me show you how. In the search term, put anything you want. For example, I put real estate, any location like the US, the number of rows you want. For this tutorial, I'm going to put 3, and the language, leave it as default. And then the next step is to go to make.com. Okay, so for this module, you have to create a watch actor module connected to your API account. This is the module is going to watch any data that is coming when you run the scraper tool. So every time you run the scraper tool, this scenario will get triggered. After that, we have this module, get dataset items. This is the action module that is going to retrieve the data from API. And then you have to put all the data in a Google Sheet. As you can see, if we run the scenario, this module will keep on running. We have to activate it from here. Start. Let him search for the data. The operation must be done in under a minute. As you can see, the module is still running until this one is completed. Okay, it's completed. As you can see, we retrieve the data, and then we put it in a Google Sheet form like this. It's simple and easy. Hope you guys like the tutorial. See you in the next one.